Like the Furbies?
What you get?
The Furbies.
It's one big Furby.
It's the blue one.
You like it?
Cool. It won't go all the way in there. You have lots of toys that talk to you, don't you?
Oh, you get you one more left.
Is there? Oh yeah, there's one in the stocking.
Oh.
This
Open.
one's for you.
It's for Daddy.
Open your last one, 'cause
Yeah, I was saying this one's for you, Daddy.
all right. What you think that is?
The purple Ninja Turtles. It's the blue and the purple.
Cool.
Well, you got all four of them then, don't you?
Uh-huh. Get out of the way, Green Lantern.
Four?
I didn't know he liked the turtles that much.
1, 2, 3.
Here's your
4.
bad guy.
Now I have my collection of Ninja Turtles.
Yes, you do.
In the truck.
And a bad guy.